Everyone, I'm Julia Chantel. As you all know, I'm a style coach, I'm a leadership coach, I'm a life purpose coach. I have so many things in my name. All right, so basically, right, I created this course, right? It's called How to Find Your Life Purpose and Create Your Own Work. It's my dream, right, to help a lot of people around the world to create your own work, right? I cannot imagine, right, if I don't do my own business, right? 11 years ago, I started my own business, and as of today, I'm still doing my own business, and I couldn't be more happy, right, to be able to pass my skills right along to you. To be successful in Singapore is not really that easy, and I really thank God for opening up the door for me, and also able to help a lot of people in this planet, right, in on Udemy. I'm so happy to create this workshop for you guys so that you can find your gifts and talents, right, and able to create your own work. And plus, right, plus I'm giving away my ebook, right, on how to attract and manifest everything that you want in life, right, with this workshop for free. Okay, so if you get this workshop online from Udemy, right, you will get this free ebook from me, right? It's on your attached resources. So I thank you all so much for your support and look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.